Hello, students. Let's tackle this SAT word problem. The key here is to read carefully and break it down. We're told a company has a two-part pricing plan for renting calculators. It's one price for the first few months and a different price for the rest of the time. Our job is to figure out the total cost for a 9-month rental. Let's get started. All right. As you can see, our strategy is straightforward. This is what's called a tiered pricing problem. We can't just multiply 9 months by a single price. We have to handle the two different pricing tiers separately. First, we'll calculate the cost for the initial period. Then, we'll figure out the cost for the remaining time. Finally, we'll add those two amounts together to get our total. Let's start with the first piece. The problem states that the cost is $15 a month, but only for the first 3 months. So to find the cost for this initial period, we simply multiply the number of months by the rate for that period. As the equation on the screen shows, that's 3 months times $15, which equals $45. So we'll set that $45 aside and move on to the next part of the rental period. Okay, we've taken care of the first 3 months. Now the student is renting the calculator for a total of 9 months. So how many months are left to be calculated at the second price? This is a simple subtraction. We take the total rental period, 9 months, and subtract the 3 months we've already accounted for. As you can see, 9 minus 3 is 6. So there are 6 months remaining that will be charged at the next rate. Now that we know there are 6 months left, we need to find the cost for this second period. The problem tells us that after the first 3 months, the rate drops to $10 per month. So we take our 6 remaining months and multiply them by this new rate of $10. The calculation is right there on the screen. 6 times $10 gives us $60. This is the cost for the second part of the rental. We're on the final step now. We have all the pieces. We calculated the cost for the first 3 months, which was $45. We then calculated the cost for the next 6 months, which was $60. To get the total rental fee for the entire 9-month period, we just need to add these two amounts together. As you can see in the equation, $45 plus $60 equals a total of $105. So our calculation shows that the student will pay a total of $105. Now, let's go back and check the multiple choice options we were given. Option A is $60, B is $90, C is $105, and D is $135. Our answer, $105, is a perfect match with option C. And that's our final answer. By breaking the problem down into 2 parts, the cost for the first 3 months and the cost for the remaining 6 months, and then adding them together, we found that the total fee is $105. Great job working through that one.